So welcome my friends to this new video, and today we will see that how we can use ConnectEngage Chrome extension to boost your LinkedIn profile. So this extension is made by me and it is an open source extension, so you can simply see the code, make changes, and then you can add some issue if you want, or you can also contribute some new features to it. So let us first install this extension, and it will ask you some permission like it will read and change your data on LinkedIn. So yes, it will try to help you, so it need that permission, and it will read your volume history, so it need to check whether you are on the LinkedIn page or not. So you can simply add extension and it will be downloaded in few minutes. Once it's being downloaded, you can simply pin it here and you can see the icon of it. So now we can simply go to our profile here, and you can see that there is a post here. So you can simply open any of the post on LinkedIn, like this here post, and it has simply 52 comments, I think. Yes, suppose you have post and you want to reply to each of the comment on it, like there are some posts where you want to comment some resources or some link or some group information. So you can simply do it using this extension, and you don't need to waste your time on commenting and replying to each of them. So what you need to do is that you can simply click on it and it will ask you to tag person. So if you check it, it will simply reply like this, like you can see it, that the person who has commented has been tagged. So you can check it if you want. If you want to tag the person, in the name section you can type your LinkedIn profile name. So suppose like you are doing it and in the between your internet is stuck or you have some problem. So if you don't want to reply the same person again and again, you can type your name here. So where can you get your name? So you can simply see that it's here. So it's Raj Verma. So I will type it, Raj Verma. And now you can see that we have some comments here. So we can simply add some comments and we can delete this one. So to add comment, you can add your own comment. Like here, I will copy paste some comment. So you can simply copy paste your comments here, like which comment you want to include, and we can simply add a new one. Now even if you now close it, so your comment will be saved, so don't worry, you won't lose anything even if you close it in between. So now you can simply click on start. So we have tag person, we have checked it, we have added the name, and if you want to delete all the comments at once, then simply click on delete all. So now you can click on start. So we first need to reload the extension and reload the page, or we have installed the extension after that. We will first reload the page. Now once it has been reloaded, we can simply click on start. Now you can see that it says started, and you can wait here and see that it's tagging the person here. Now it's citing the comment and it's being posted. So you can try this extension and it will have some new features in the upper in the next some versions, and you can also contribute to this. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and feel free to check it out and give some review and feedback, and also add some new features to it.
Whatever. Okay, thank you.